Hi, Joe Eben here, Kriete Truck Center. Got our stock number GR002787, 2025 Mack Granite GR42F. Set up with a front frame extension for plow mount. NP7, 355 horse, 11 liter engine. Allison 3000 RDS transmission. 23,000 pound front axle, 23,000 spring ride rear axle with a mirrored carrier. Steel white rims, aggressive drives, clean frame package. This unit is in stock in Stevens Point, one of 10 Kriete locations. National premium wide seat, full dash gauges, shift pad selector. If you have any questions on this truck or any of our other inventory at Kriete Trucks, go to our website, KrieteTrucks.com, or give me a call, 715-347-4990. Ask for Joe.